Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and today we are showing off another one of our favorite products from Grownsy. This is one of my all-time favorite, most trusted brands for your little ones, and this baby food maker is no different. I love how easy it is to use, how safe it is to use, and how much better and healthier this is going to be for your little ones. Okay, let me show this off. We are about 10 minutes into steaming some carrots. I want to show you guys how gentle this is. This is a nice steam that doesn't rely on just boiling this water, getting super hot, and denaturing those nutrients. We are keeping as many vitamins, especially those water-soluble vitamins, as possible, while we do this all in a really safe way. So you'll notice we've got a gorgeous screen over here that gives you a countdown. I did carrots for 25 minutes because that's what my little cheat sheet guide tells me right here. But if you have more questions on recommended steaming times, the entire side of the box gives you a lot. And you come with a manual that has all sorts of ingredients and steaming time, the role of nutrients in foods, nutritious food ideas, and different recipes. And all these recipes are categorized for various stages. So when you have 4 to 6 months versus 7 to 9 months versus 10 months and above, all types of different ideas and things that this can do. Now, you'll notice this basket right here is kind of that cylindrical 360 degrees. You're getting steam from all areas. So you're actually going to be able to steam food faster while keeping as many nutrients as possible. You can see we've got our countdown over here, and the other things on this touchscreen are all very easy to use. Sterilize, again, we're going to be able to clean this, and I'll show you guys that. And then you've got your automatic mode, and you can do manual mode to be able to choose your own level of puree. Like I spoke about in the beginning, the difference between something that is very, very fine versus something that's a little bit more chunky, depending on your baby's developmental stage. You put water in this little tank right here, and it even has a fill line that will show you exactly where to fill the water up to. And of course it locks into place, keeping all of this super nice and safe and very, very easy to use. I will meet you back here when it is time to puree. Okay guys, 25 minutes later, we've got our countdown done and we have our carrots nice and steamed. All you gotta do is move this. Again, that's that warning I was telling you about, keeping you nice and safe. And then we're just going to put our carrots from the basket right into the bottom. We can put this little lid on right here to ensure that we don't have anything that we need to clean up. Just really, really smart stuff going on there. Oh, did I do this backwards? Here we go. There we go. Now you can see we're all locked in. We know that we're safe and good to go here. I'm going to go to manual mode to just show you some of those settings. So that way I can choose the exact level. If I have an older kid, maybe I want to keep some of that texture in there. But if I want to keep that going for a while, we're going to be able to actually puree everything. Next, I'll show you the auto mode. So there we go, about a minute of pureeing, and you could tell it's checking to make sure that everything is perfectly consistent and really, really nicely pureed, and it does all of that automatically. I want to show you guys the consistency here, and also that nothing got in here to get all dirty, so it's a nice, clean process. Take this off, and then check out this puree. It's perfectly, perfectly smooth. No chunks, no inconsistencies, no anything. Just gorgeous, fresh made baby food from carrots. All really, really healthy, preserving as many of those nutrients as possible. Next up, I'm going to show you how easily we can clean this. So how easy is that? You just press sterilize. We're gonna use the same water in here, and we're gonna clean all of this and make sure it's not only clean, but it's actually completely nice and sterile. And again, you've got your dishwashing package that you can put right in for even more added freshness. How awesome is that? Thank you so much, shoppers, for sticking around and learning more about this fantastic brand and this fantastic product. I absolutely love this one. I think you guys will as well. This is a perfect gift for anyone that you know that is expecting or recently had a baby, and maybe this is something great to pop on to your registry for your baby shower. This is a really, really great product. I love this one. I think that you guys will as well. Go ahead and check out all of the information and the links in the description below and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.